perfect squares. What's the first perfect square? Go.
2. Oh, just kidding.
1. I'm not the answer for number 7, but I know. What's the next one?
4.
4. What's the next one?
9.
Come on, everybody, let's go. 25.
36.
Keep going.
35. 64.
Not too fast. I can't write that fast. 64 and then what?
81.
Yeah.
100. 121. 144.
Keep going.
169. 196. 225.
One more.
260.
Oh, no.
280.
No.
It's in the 250.
256.
256. And I don't have room, so we'll stop there, okay? All right, so we got our calculators ready to go? All right. Square root of 4.
2.
That is true. Who cares if it's the wrong answer? Let's pick a perfect square to divide 243 by.
I wrote 27 and 9. 81. But I don't know how to do it.
27 and has a perfect square that will go into it again. So you know 9's the biggest one.
Okay.
So what's the bigger one? 81. Very good. See, Bella, how 3 only has 1 that goes into it? So that's how you know you're finished.
Okay.
All right? So we can rewrite 243 as 81 times 3. Because we
Could I
have
have done it with 27?
You just have to do it again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just have to do it twice. Yes, ma'am. You'll have to just write it on a piece of paper. So what's the square root of 81? 9. Square root of 3. All right, so then 605. What is the one that goes into 605? Or just pick one, and who cares if it's wrong? We'll do another one. 121. Okay. Yep, there we go. It's 5. All right, so we can rewrite 605 as 121 times 5. Jonathan, you have a pass photo? Okay. All right, so 121 comes out as what number? 11. Y'all okay so far? All right, what about 338? Which one goes into 338? Pick one. Who cares if it's wrong? 49. Nope, let's do another one. 81. Nope, let's do another one. 169. That one is correct. Very good, Thomas. Very good. So 169 times 2. And what does 169 come out as? Go. 13 square root of 2. Y'all okay? All right. 150 should be an easy one. 25. Is that the biggest one? Yes. How do I know that that's the biggest one? Because nothing goes into, well, besides 1, right? So we'll see. We got 25 times 6. And 25 comes out as 5. Beautiful. So you could say that 5 on the square root of 6. You could say that 5 radical 6. You can say that 5 times square root of 6. There's a bunch of different ways to say it, okay? So don't freak out if somebody calls it different. Now, 24 is 2 times 12, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to write 2 times 12?
No.
Why?
No, yeah.
4 goes into it.
Very good. 4 is the perfect square that goes into it. 2 times 12 is 24.
And 2 is not a perfect square.
Or 12 is not a perfect square, right? So that's right from the door.
80.
The lights being off out there is freaking me out because I can't see.
I enjoy it.
All right, so that'd be 2 square root of 6. I was wondering when you were going to come back and get that.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all good? Anybody lost? All right. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to take a quiz, and then we are not finished for the day after that. Okay? We do have, some of us have checkpoints to do. A few of us have already turned them in. And checkpoints are in the tray if you want to go grab those. And we are not finished after the quiz, so don't pack up like you're done. 13. We're on number 1. All right, now, this stuff is a little different than what we've been doing. But we're going to use the same exact method. So, what do you notice about all 3 of these? There's 3 variables, there's 3 equations. Yep. We're going to have to do this. So it's the same steps, but we're going to have to do this more than once. So how many equations are we used to dealing with? 2. So we're going to compare 2 at a time. What are the first 2 that we're going to compare? Beautiful. okay with that so far? All right. What are the next two that we're going to compare? The second and third one. There you go. Okay. And then we're going to work these the exact same way. We're going to try to eliminate a variable. Do you see one of those two that would be the easiest one to start off by working with? The second and third one right here, right? Because what do you notice about the x's? They're already the same, so I can eliminate them. How can I eliminate 2x and 2x? Subtract. So 2 minus 2 is 0. You have -1 minus -3. How much is that? Positive 2y. You have 3 minus -5. Positive 8. And you have -8 minus 27. -32, right? You okay? All right, now here's the deal about the other one. We got to go back to the other one. The only thing is you have to eliminate the same variable. So you have to get rid of the x's just like you did on this side. So how can I get rid of these x's? There you go. There you go. So it's the same process, guys. Then I'm just going to bring the bottom one down. Alright, now how can I get rid of these two x's? You can subtract them. Very good. 2x minus 2x is 0. 4 minus -1 is 5y. 2 minus 3, yeah. And 10 minus -5, 15. Very good. Are y'all okay with that?
When did it be 25 and 25?
Where? Oh gosh, I didn't multiply by 2. I'm sorry. Yes, yes, yes. 20 minus 25 minus 5 is 25. There you go. Thank you, guys. Is a positive 25. All right, now I get to compare these two guys together. So I'm going to stack them right on top of each other. And now it's the same thing we've been doing. Same thing you just took a quiz on. Which one do you want to eliminate, the y's or the z's? Probably the z's, yep. So I'm going to multiply that by 8. So I'm going to bring the top one down. Multiply the bottom one by 8. Katie, you getting this, baby? Okay. And how do I eliminate the 8's? Addition. There you go. So that's 42. Y. 8's cancel. And 168. Divide. And now you know what Y is. How much? Which one? 4. Very good. Alright, do you see somewhere that I could plug that Y back into? I have actually 2 places to plug the Y. No, can't do that one because that one still has, that would only leave me with 2 variables still. I need to plug it in somewhere where it would only leave me with 1 variable. There you go. So I can plug it into 2y plus 8z equals -32. Or I could plug it into 5y minus z equals 25. Which one do y'all want to do? 5y minus z? Okay. So 5 times 4 minus z is equal to 25. So that's 20 minus z equals 25. Subtract the 20. And you get 5. And z is -5, right? And then we have one more step because I have one more letter. Which one do I need to plug it into? Probably the top one, right? So there'd be 2 times, what was y? 4 plus, what was z? -5, so it really should be -5. and then equals 10. 8 minus 5 equals 10. X plus 3 equals 10. Subtract. And I need an order pair. 4 and negative 5. Beautiful. I know it's a lot of work. I know. We're going to do this all day tomorrow. All day Friday. Welcome to Algebra 2. Because that's for real Algebra 2 right there. Welcome, welcome.
I remember TJ notes that then me last year about the lessons.